Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to create a Facebook cover image for your Facebook page that will look great on desktop, tablet, and mobile phone. No cutting off edges, no missing text, no images cut in half, and we will do this in Canva. This will go right to canva.com. Let's go to the front page. In the search bar, we'll type in Facebook cover. We're creating a cover for a Facebook page here. So here it is, this white blank template. Now you can come over here and choose one of these, but for today we're just going to build it from scratch. So let's go over to images over here on the left and type in yoga. And let's find one, maybe this one. And you can drag and drop it here to take up the whole background. And then I'll show you this. This little button here is transparency. So if you click on that, you can make that more or less opaque, but I like the color, so I'm going to leave it. But I am going to add an overlay for some text. So I'll show you how to do that. You can go right here to the little elements icon. And you can see that I use this one a lot. It comes up, but I'll show you how to search for that. You can just type in square. A lot of different things come up, but we'll just click on this one. And what I want to do is change the color here. I'm just going to change it to white. And then I'll go over to the opacity and give myself a little canvas here. And then I want to have this be about, we'll look at the dimensions here when we get it. So we want it to be about 500. There, and then if you drag this left and right, Canva will center it right up for you. And then I think my space top to bottom is fine, so I'll leave that. And then we want to overlay some text here about your Facebook page. So let's just go to text, and we'll add. So my custom, if you don't have Pro, you won't have custom fonts here, but we'll just go ahead and use one of mine. Click here and then we'll type in yoga with Vanessa. Just using a random name. Then I can drag and drop this. I mean, not drag and drop, I can drag the corners to make it bigger. And then I would like to change the font color. So this is Archivo Narrow. I can go up here to the color and I'll change it to maybe this green. I don't like that, it's not dark enough. So let's choose maybe, let's try this blue. We can go back up and make this a little darker so that it reads a little better. And then I think I would like to make this all caps. So I'm just gonna click this little uppercase. That will make it all uppercase for me. And I'm going to make the font a little smaller so that it fits a little better within the box. Let's try 40. Okay, that looks good. And I'm not going to center it exactly because I want to put something right below it. Okay. And then under here, we could add something like the website or welcome to my Facebook page, or you could just put an arrow down so that they know to click on a button that you may have created on your Facebook page, like learn more or sign up. But for purposes of this, let's just do, let's say there's a Facebook, let's say there's a website. And we'll drag this up into the box as well. And let's make it www.vanessayoga.com. We'll bold that. We'll make the font a little bigger. And then we'll move it right up. Oops, sometimes that happens. Make sure we're grabbing the right thing. move it up. And so that's about centered. See the space from here to here looks pretty equal to the space from here to here. I eyeball this stuff a lot, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but I am going to recenter this up. So everything should be centered. Scoot this down just a scotch. So there you go. You have a, whoops, did not mean to duplicate that. So let's delete that one. And then you'll just want to download it. I recommend using a PNG file. Click download. And then it will save it right to your computer or whatever folder you had designated it to go to. So there you go. There's how to create a simple Facebook cover. And by doing this, creating this little space in here with some room on the edges, when you put this Facebook photo cover into your Facebook page on desktop, it will look great. And then when you also are viewing it on your phone or on your tablet, it should look the same. It should look just as good. So I'll show you mine just real quick so you can see. And I have a lot of pages, so we'll find my page. Let's do this one. And then here you can see how I even did a little arrow down to my sign up button. And if someone clicks that, they get my free download. It takes them to a place to download that. So all of these things you can learn how to do in future lessons. But for purposes of this, when we put that here, in fact, I will see if it will just leave it here for now. So that is the same size as the one we created over here. So if you create it using this tutorial, it should look great on your Facebook page. If not, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. So that is how you do it. Now you know how to create a simple Facebook cover for your Facebook page. Get your yoga party started. No excuses. Try this out and let me know what you think. And be sure to subscribe below. Click the little bell so that you get a notification every time something new comes out. And comment below. I'd love to hear from you about whether you tried this and what you thought about it. Have a great day.